Good morning, folks. This is Yankel Benavides. I am an attorney licensed to practice law in the state of Florida, as well as in federal courts in Florida. Here you can see my Florida Bar directory page. I'm creating this video as a response to the ASUS Scammed Us video by Gamers Nexus. So in this video, there was a bit of a call to arms towards the end, asking for some kind of legal advice. Not particularly legal advice, but legal direction, I would say. How people who are being affected by the ASUS warranty debacle, how they can, what they can do and how they can fix the problem. So if you go down here, you'll see that there was already kind of a legal response video. I have it open here, where this gentleman, who's an attorney in North Carolina, kind of explains why certain warranty language is used, but it's kind of a high-minded discussion. And one of the things I noticed while watching this video was there was no real direction on how you as a consumer can proceed. So I figured I'd draft this video to address that. So first, we'll start here at the statute itself. So this is the Magnuson Act. It's Title 15, Chapter 50. In this act, you can read kind of the law. It's a bit difficult to read if you're not used to reading documents like these. I'll kind of skip to the important parts. Essentially, whenever there's a warranty, a written warranty, specifically the one that's being addressed in the ASUS video is written warranty. Whenever there's a written warranty, the manufacturer can create what's called informal dispute settlement procedures. This normally looks like an arbitration provision within the warranty, or a requirement prior to suit to submit the matter to mediation, or some other alternative dispute resolution process. So if you're a consumer and you want to contest the findings of the warranty process, as ASUS is kind of denying everybody, what you would do first is see if you have to submit your claim to this informal dispute settlement procedure. Now, this is what it says here. The Commission shall prescribe rules setting forth minimum requirements for any informal dispute settlement procedure, which is incorporated into the terms of written warranty to which any provisions of this chapter apply. Such rules shall provide for participation in such procedure by independent government entities. One or more warrantors may be a key word here, may establish an informal settlement dispute procedure. So I've seen a bunch that have them. So if you want to know whether your particular product has a warranty that requires you to submit to this alternative dispute resolution, how do you go about figuring that out? So this is what I did. In this video, we're looking at, you can see it here, the ASUS ROG Ally. So all you got to do is type it in, put warranty, and the actual manufacturer's website should have documents. That's exactly what I did here. So you'll see we're back at ASUS's website. Here they have the warranty documents. Click on this link. I already have it open. And it'll take you to the 13-page warranty card, essentially. Here you can go through the card to see if there's this alternative dispute resolution process that you're going to be required to do. In this particular case, for the Ally, there doesn't seem to be any kind of alternative dispute resolution process. So what would I be looking for if I was looking for something like that? I'd be looking for words like arbitration. There's none here. I'd be looking for words like mediation. There's none here. I'd be looking for words like alternative. That's not here either. I will be looking for words like dispute. That's not here either. Obviously, this is only 13 pages. It's not a huge read, so you can do the Control F method that I did. But if you really want to go through, you can read the whole thing, which I also did. And there's really nothing here for that alternative dispute resolution issue. If you're reading this, you want to look for headings along the lines of disputes against us, or filing suit, or before you file suit. That's where these ADR, alternative dispute resolution provisions would be found. So in this case, right, we have the ACES. It's not working. You submitted it to warranty, and they're denying the warranty process essentially. What do? Well, the good thing about this statute is that any attorney who practices in this area of law will take your case. Why would they do that? Well, that's because in this case, the Magnuson-Moss Warranty Act allows for the prevailing party to get attorney's fees, right? It's right here, I have it highlighted. If a consumer prevails, he may be allowed by the court to recover as part of the judgment a sum equal to the aggregate amount of costs and expenses, including attorney fees, based on the actual time expended. So long as you have a valid claim, when you bring it to an attorney, more likely than not, they will accept your claim. So long as it's valid. Now, what do you, as the consumer and as a potential client for an attorney, want to do? You can do a couple things. First, as we saw in the Gamers Nexus video, they took pictures prior to sending the warranted item in. Pictures count for, they say a picture is worth 1,000 words, and it really is. Pictures will make or break a case. So if you want to prepare yourself to meet this warranty issue, take photographs of your item prior to sending it, take photographs after you've sent it, and try to keep everything in writing. I don't know particularly for ACES if they have a call center, but if they do, feel free to call. But after any call, you want to draft a email saying, please allow this to memorialize our conversation, or thank you for talking to me. I'd like to write down what we discussed. And those emails are generally pretty easy to get into evidence, and they're easy to rely on. So document your case by taking pictures, document it by sending emails, basically everything that you saw in this video. And if you have any questions, you can feel free to reach out to us. Again, we practice in Florida, but this is a Magnuson-Moss Act case. If you have something similar, even if you're in a different state that's not Florida, you can still contact us and we can file the suit for you. If you have any questions or just want to understand what's going on a little bit more, feel free to give us a call. Thanks. Have a great day. Hope that this has been helpful.